Hey everyone, ever wonder how TikTok creators make money by sharing cool finds? Imagine showing off products you love and getting paid every time someone buys through your recommendation. That's the power of affiliate marketing with AliExpress. So, with TikTok's massive audience and AliExpress, this is the perfect match to kickstart your online earning journey. Either you're a beginner or already creating an account, this step-by-step guide will help you transform your TikTok feed into a commission-generating powerhouse. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to choose products that TikTok users love, create eye-catching videos that grab attention, use strategies to drive traffic and boost your earnings. So, first, it's all about finding the right product. Not every item will perform well on TikTok. So, next is sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program. So, it's free and simple. You just need to head over to your affiliate site and create an account, and of course, gain access to the thousands of products to promote. So as you can see here, promote and earn in 4 simple steps. Promote products, bring more traffic, and of course get commission from shoppers' orders. So here, what you need to do here is you just need to sign in, as you can see here in this register button. If you already have an account, you just need to tap on that register, and if you don't have an account, don't worry guys, because you can still create an affiliate program account. So as you can see here, the first step is the basic information. Create your AliExpress affiliate account. So you are using an AliExpress buyer account to join the AliExpress affiliate program. So if you want to use another account, click log out on the upper right corner of the page. So here in the basic information guys, it is important to fill in all the fields here. So the first one is your pay name. So enter the name exactly as it should appears in the check when you withdraw money. So for example, that one is my name here, and then next one is your contact email, and of course the very important part is the verification code. So here, let's go to our Gmail, and then after that one, let's tap the send button for us to have a code here and try reloading your Gmail account, as you can see here in the video. So here, I'm just gonna copy this number. So as you can see here, so you need to gain access to thousands of products to promote here. So this platform gives you all the tools you need to track your performance and earnings in real time. So as you can see here, I'm gonna type here my code. So the next one is in this field is your phone number. So disclaimer guys, in this video, this is just an example of a phone number. So of course here your social media account information, which is your social media platform that will be connected to your AliExpress. And here is your social media account ID. So depending on you guys, what will you put here? So the next one is you can add here your social media account guys, and the next part is how do you hear about us? How did you hear about the AliExpress affiliate program? So here, do you want to subscribe to the affiliate programs? And the last one is to of course check the button. And here on the second part is the site information, wherein you provide should be the information of your primary traffic source. So the information will largely decide the commission model and other benefits of your affiliate account. So here you can add here some sites of you. So the first one is my first site, which is this one. So as you can see here, you can choose here the channel type. And then here you can either choose a network or a non-network. You can also choose here if it's a group chat or a influencer if you are choosing the social media option. Here, of course, it is very important to add your site name here and your URL. So here guys, you're gonna be making your URL guys. So the site URL will be invalid if you will not be double checking it. So here For example, to that one is this one, depending on your niche. So here is my URL, and then choose your category of your products that you will be affiliating. So for example, that one is this computer and office. And of course, add some traffic source area. You can put your country, or don't worry guys, you can still choose the global option. And last one is the important one, is in the description. And here guys, as what I said a while ago, you can still add another site here. But on this tutorial, we will just proceed and submit this one. So right after the one guys is you can also use tools like Linktree or Bitly to make sure your link shorter and easier to share on TikTok. So here guys, as you can see here, let's try to see here, and you need to have your Linktree account. And for us to wait for us to be activated, let's try looking for a product here. And after that one, once you've chosen a product, it's time to create a unique affiliate link. So this link tracks all purchases made through your promotions, ensuring you get created for every sale here. So as you can see here, for example, that one is this one. So you can use the link tree here guys. So what you need to do here is you just need to copy the link and paste it on your link tree. So especially guys, the fun part is creating your TikTok video. You can show off the product in action, highlight its features, benefits, or even a quirky problem it solves. So as you can see here, this is my link tree. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna paste here the one that I copied a while ago, and here I'm just gonna add here a title. So as you can see here guys, this is my title, and here guys you can add another collections here, because my last collections is the Amazon and here is the AliExpress. So here I just need to tap on that one and name my collection guys. For example, to that one is this the AliExpress finds. So right after that one guys is you can copy your link in your link tree and post it on your bio. And there you have it guys. With the right strategy, you can turn TikTok into a powerful affiliate marketing platform. So start today and watch your efforts pay off. Like, follow, and share this video for more tips and making money online. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!